Hey guys, Reuben here. The thought of moving to an entirely different country can be terrifying, and thinking about what to bring can be very overwhelming. Your emotions can be playing with you right now, like, what if I forgot this? What if I forgot that? What should I do? Should I pack this? Should I pack that? Stop right there. I got you covered. So this video is all about packing tips for you international students should know when moving to Sweden. This is a two-part video series, so head down to the description down below to check part 2. Part 1, the basics. Okay guys, this is very important. Knowing the essential to pack to Sweden will allow you to save a ton of time and money. You don't want to end up paying for that hefty amount because of excess baggage. So let me start with the obvious and one thing that will actually take up the most room in our luggage, which are your clothes. So you should at least pack the essentials like socks, underwear, jeans, and t-shirts before you travel. Make sure to pack the clothes that you will actually wear. It is essential that you pack clothes that can be worn repeatedly and allow you to coordinate your outfit with ease. Another item that can be incredibly bulky is your shoes. So pack the important ones. I would suggest having a pair of sneakers, winter boots, rain boots, and sandals. Investing in a good pair of winter boots or rain boots will save you from having wet feet when you go on your way through snow or puddles through the winter. And a good pair of sneakers would work well during the fall and spring. Another tip when packing is to know which items are available in Sweden that you can purchase once you arrive in Sweden, such as food, beddings, household products, and toiletries. Identifying these items would give more room for other essential items such as winter jacket, which I will be covering in part 2 of this video. Know which items or services are expensive in Sweden. Many universities in Sweden provide comprehensive health insurance for international students who will be staying for a year or two, but that does not include dental appointments. Dental services are a heck expensive in Sweden, so I suggest you book that last-minute appointment with your dentist before heading to Sweden. Getting used to the food here can come later, so it is also a piece of excellent advice to pack a few good spices from your home to last you a couple of weeks. Otherwise, this can also be an opportunity to explore local shops that might be selling your favorite curry pack. Lastly, one of the essentials of an international student is electronics, such as laptops, smartphones, cameras. It would suck if you can't use them because you don't have an adapter to charge your electronics. So make sure to buy an adapter that has 2 round prongs and outputs 230 volts of power that can be used in Sweden. So that's it for the first part of this video. Make sure to head out to the second part, link to this video, and if you like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that red button down below and join our notification squad by clicking that bell button as well. Hey